Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your MSI Cyborg 15 is not turning on. If your laptop is not turning on, there's a few reasons for that, most probably. And first of all, you should try pressing on the power button for longer than usual and see if it works. If it doesn't, then try plugging it into power, of course. And if it still doesn't help, then try leaving it plugged in up to half an hour. Or if your laptop was exposed to very cold temperatures for a pretty long time, then it may be even up to several hours, sometimes even up to 12 hours before it can be turned on, but it's only in some extreme cases. Then another thing to mention here is that your charger may be broken. If it's not a genuine charger, of course it doesn't really have to be a one from MSI, of course, although the MSI ones will be the best ones for MSI laptops, but some other replacement chargers from a reputable brand will be just about fine. It's different when it comes to actually a charger that's ingenuine, because those chargers may break pretty quickly, but also some other genuine chargers, even the MSI charger, can break, so that's pretty typical. You can, if you know someone that has an MSI laptop, just try borrowing a charger from them or getting a new charger and see if it works. If it doesn't, then I think that the only way is to just get your laptop to a technician, because something may be not working. And if your laptop does turn on but doesn't work properly, I mean, when you press on the power button and something lights up but it doesn't really go into the system, then you may want to watch a video on our channel on how to install Windows on this laptop, because maybe your system is corrupted and it just doesn't want to boot. So you can try that, but of course there's so many things that can go wrong on a laptop that it really is great to take it to a technician if nothing helped. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.